Hello and welcome. My name is Brian Caplen. I'm editor of The Banker. We're at the Bank of the Year Awards 2015 in London. It's a black tie dinner. We have guests coming from all over the world. I'm with Silvia Pavoni, who's the economics editor. And Silvia, once more, very exciting evening ahead of us with the Bank of the Year Awards. This year we had 500 entries. We've given awards in 152 countries. And the global winner is Wells Fargo. Why did we give it to Wells this year?
So Wells Fargo is a solid bank, very strong capital ratios, but also very profitable. So for a second year in a row, they've reached record earnings. And it's not just a bank that is a clear leader in its domestic market, which is the United States, but it is also very effective in serving its clients and customers all over the world.
And I know it's done very well in Latin America, and Latin America is a region that you watch very closely. What have the entries been like in Latin America? Because we know Latin America is going through quite tough times at the moment.
Indeed, economically it's not really the best of times for the whole of the region, for a few countries in particular, but the quality of the entries was still pretty good. So we still got very solid entries from pretty much all over our participants. And so let's hope that the quality will continue as we approach next year's event.
Obviously, one of the great things about the awards is that we have people coming from all over the world. We have people coming from Latin America. We have a big contingent coming here from Asia this evening. And one of the unique awards that we have is for financial inclusion. So tell us a bit about that award, because we had a lot of entries for that this year, didn't we?
We did, yeah. We got about 50 entries for an award that I think we all consider as being a little bit special. So we like to award banks that do help include wider parts of the community into the financial services sector. The winner is the Cooperative Bank of Kenya, in recognition of not only their great efforts in their country, but also in recognition of how successful this model has been in supporting customers at the lower end of the spectrum.
Well, congratulations to Cooperative Bank of Kenya, Wells Fargo, all the other winners, and we're looking forward to a great evening.